Veteran Nollywood actor Victor Olaotan has gone to meet his creator, my people. This one no be news wey take the jolly our heart, but we got to say it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. You're welcome to this YouTube channel, K&G TV, for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If today not the first time when you come across my YouTube video, you are highly welcome. May God bless you as you set in. So my people, this video na two in one. The one where we go talk about this a Nollywood actor. Yes, this a uprising actor, Henry Onyeka, where he be actually be victim for incidents wey take happen since 2017 and where e concern am to partial paralysis, my people. But before we want to talk about, in case my people, we go talk about this a veteran Nollywood actor Victor wey don go R1P. So my people, aligning Nollywood actor Victor Olaotan died on Thursday after a prolonged illness. The 29-year-old actor, who is best known for his role as Fred Ade-Williams in the popular TV series Tinsel, was bedridden for 5 years after he was involved in a ghastly accident. The actor was driving to a movie set in 2016 when the accident took place around Apple Junction in Festac, Lagos. He had until recently been battling for his life in a Turkish hospital for almost 3 years. His widow, Julian Olaotan, broke the news of his death to Premium Times on Friday morning. Mrs. Olaotan said she is grateful that the 69-year-old actor can finally go to rest after suffering for years. He has tried. It is not easy to be trapped in your own body for 5 years. He can finally rest now, she said. The late actor was recently flown back to Nigeria when his condition deteriorated, when the family could no longer shoulder his medical expenses abroad. In 2018, the actor requested financial aid to facilitate his treatment outside the country after 2 years of being incapacitated. Shortly after, Nigerian billionaire Femi Otodela agreed to settle his bill of about 39 million naira. The actor's wife confirmed that the money was paid directly into the account of the hospital in Turkey. She said medically he is improving and there have been a lot of improvements. His recent pictures was what was used to do his birthday wish on social media, so there has been a lot of improvement. The major challenge is financial, and that has been a struggle. We have come out occasionally to ask for funds, and we are not ignorant to the fact that there are challenges. With the COVID pandemic, everybody has been affected, locally and internationally, but I have bills to pay. His hospital bill is $7,500 a month, and the main reason he is there, I actually haven't done it, is to get his procedure done. We have done the first stage of the medical procedure. It was that first phase that Mr. Otedola paid for. She added that the hospital also sent her some documents threatening to take legal actions against her if her bills were not paid up. Mr. Olaotan featured in movies like Love Struck as well as Three Wise Men alongside Richard Murphy, Damijo, and Zach Oje. So my people, that's the news about this veteran Nollywood actor, my people. He suffered after a ghastly motor accident, and it can be a very painful matter for my people. We be here for February how Otodela become given 39 million naira for take help for the situation, my people, but the 69-year-old Nollywood actor can't let us down. This one a painful matter, my people. I beg make una write for comment section messages of condolences for take pray for your family together. So the next matter where we go talk about my people now about this uprising Nollywood actor we go bedridden and with partial paralysis for years, my people. Henry Onyeka come here and for him body. He was in a cab when a police officer takes stop them, my people. And because they can't they go, the happy triggered police officer can't shoot gun anyhow. That's so straw bullet. Come meet this Nollywood actor for his spine, my people. The bullet no see anywhere else to go but for him spine, and because of that, my country people, this are Nollywood's actor can be bed reading, my people. With partial paralysis. He left from being this healthy man on a con dey see on a screen like that to a shadow of himself. He come out severally console. I remember Yule Dochi some weeks ago come post and say he felt really bad seeing his colleague that way. They can't support him, my people, but the pain be too much for him, and I saw it take legal just like that. My people, the matter no dey very interesting the kind way it's there in one day like that. Nollywood don lost two actors. Yes, my people, a veteran actor and an uprising actor. Since where these are brothers like that, Henry Onyeka can't go down. He can't dey do one kind. I get the video for here. We can't ask, can't they cry for help? Send me the help of my people. I beg, if you know say you take this sensitive, make you not continue till the video please, my people, because it can't dey talk, una can't dey see how it's in pains, how it did down, my people. This one no be easy matter. I go leave una the video, make una watch, my people, but make una write for comment section wetin una think about this whole matter, because up till date we can't ask ourselves like what is happening. Police we dey hail for now. Police officer wey suppose be na like a protector to the citizens, now don't consent this our brother like that for RIP. He had meat in his body until when he became partially paralyzed way. He can't go down, my people. They lie down continuously as soon as they see like that. Bed sores can't they pop up as soon as take the year. He come out, come back for help, but he no receive enough, and the pain too much. Completely with the act say it can't reduce weight, can't down, my people. My people, I go leave another video, make una watch by una self, make una tell me what una think about the whole matter, and please make una write for comment section prayers for this family. Make una join hands, make we pray for the two families as they take the bed their loss like that, my people. I go leave another video, make una watch, but before that, if you're here, if not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Like, do you already know me? My name is Onyeka Di3S, an Hollywood actor and a makeup artist that was shot by a first man in a taxi since 2017. I have not been able to sit down because some volunteers have been able to help me to cut off the decayed parts in my body and place me under diet at the University Teaching Hospital. Right now, I am begging. I need groceries. I need a lot of things to sort out myself. Life has not been easy with me, but I'm still pushing. My account number is 000-3635-372. Henry Onyeka Nwankwo, Access Diamond. Just don't look and pass. Share. Love you.